Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over some coins, some AI coins, artificial intelligence coins, and let you know possibly that you might have some pretty good deals going on in that sector of the cryptocurrency market. So that'd be two disruptive technologies, not only crypto itself, blockchain, and also AI. And this could be the decade of AI potentially. Think about it, start coming out. So I was going to make a video about that. However, right now I have a coin on the on my chart or on the screen. You can see right there, Aptos. I made a video about this yesterday. I'm going to relate this to the AI tokens. Okay, guys, this is really the time to start paying attention. I'm not going to go into the details right here, right now. You can see previous my videos if you'd like, or you can go check some other videos out too that have a little bit more sense on their YouTube channels. Instead of going off the emotions where everything is. But the market is really saying that more than likely the Fed's probably going to be doing a pause in the year 2023. Traditional is probably going to be going down a little bit more. They're near the bottom, what have you. Looking at a pause potentially February, March timeframe, maybe a little bit later, but there'll probably be a pretty good run on the crypto market, in my opinion, in 2023. Okay. And you probably don't want to miss out on that. So now we have Aptos. By the way, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. And new subscribers, I do appreciate you too. You have Aptos there. Went up in a nice 5-wave swing, came down to a V-shaped bottom. Okay. Now with Aptos right there, probably has a little bit more. You can see it looks like it's making a topping tail. You got some bearish divergence. You can clearly see from this point to this point. If you go to the 12-hour chart, it does erase that divergence a little bit. So it might not be done. Might come down for correction and go up a little bit higher. Just don't know. But think about this right here. Just went up into this wave, finish up somewhere, and it's going to do maybe a correction back down into this area. Somewhere maybe here, who knows? And then Aptos will be going in probably into a nice wave, or what some might call bull run. Okay? So, and you'll be probably get a little bit more price appreciation in this asset than you would in Bitcoin, if you think about it, right? So that's going to bring me over to these coins that I have in my list, the AI tokens. I'm going to go over this one first, okay? And relate to show you the overall picture. This coin is in the same thing, and it's a topping pattern, okay? Now I'm not going to go into all the fundamentals and the of the coins, okay? Because you can go really, really deep. I'm just going to give you my overall take on it based on the charts. So here you have back in November 20th with this coin, and it's been into a swing all the way up there. You can see the bearish divergence. It's forming in the daily chart, coming into a topping pattern. It actually could still keep running up, guys, right here. If you take a look at this right here and keep running up and up for a while. However, this coin you want to pay attention to. So I'm going to go over to the Coin Trader Pro over here. Same coin. It's VAIOT. Is a coin that I'm looking at. It goes by ticker VAI. Okay. It goes by that ticker, and you can see the basin that it did, the basoning pattern that it did, and it's probably off. And this coin, in my opinion, more than likely it's in its bull run. So it's going to go up and it's going to have a correction at some point, and then it's going to be going into a wave. You can clearly see that basoning out that it did right there. This coin's been out for a while. You can take a look at this coin for just a little bit. It came out, looks like May of 21. Came out the worst timing, as you can see way up here at April 21. So it came out, it basically came out in the worst time, basically when everything was bearish. Now, Bitcoin was not bearish in April of 21, but most of the assets like Chainlink, the other cryptos, they had their top back in March, April, May of 21, and it's been in a correction ever since. And based off that data right there that I'm looking at, the basoning and the reaction that it did right here, it's probably started its bull run. Okay, so it's over here. Now the next coin I'm going to go over, guys, is called FetchAI, and it's having a really nice reaction off the bottom with a nice FOMO fifth wave. So this is telling me that a lot of people actually really like this coin. These are smaller cap cryptos, and with this type of FOMO fifth wave that it's making right here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a FOMO fifth. A lot of retail in the crypto space really like this coin. Okay. So it's off to a really nice start. It's going to have a correction come down. And I'll go over to, I think I have, yeah, FetchAI. You can see right here, it's a miniature version of the Bitcoin chart, if you will, in a way. So FetchAI over here, March of 20, up into a wave, back down, up into this wave right here, March of 21, came back down, finished it off. It looks like September 21, been in a correction ever since. And boom, you have a nice reaction off over there, guys. Charts look good for this coin. Probably has started its bull run. Just get it on a correction over here. Okay. AGIX is another one. SingularityNET token. This one doesn't give you a lot of data. It's not a very good chart over here. So I will go to that chart over here on CoinTrader Pro and get all the data. Okay. So this one came out in January 18th. It's been around for a while. Boom. And then back down, and it went up into a correction, hit that 618 based off this wave. And it's probably over here in this one. I don't like the chart on this one as much, but it probably is in the area right here, 1, 2, 3, correct into a 4, back up into a 5. It's probably started some form of a bullish sequence 2. You start to see the pattern here with these coins, guys. And then here's another one I'm going to go over real quick, NMR Token, and I have that in the list over here. I'm not sure how to say that, NUMERAIRE Token or something like that. Has a little bit different chart patterns, not as good, but this one right here, you know, these patterns, they can move, guys. So it's the same thing with this one. What did it come out in? June 2017, and just kind of not been really moving too much, even though, well, I wouldn't say too much for crypto. You know, that's like a 10x in that area. It went from November of 19 to May of 21, been in a correction. So this one right here, you have a good shot. I don't think it's quite done yet. Might come back down the trend line and can get out of there, and you can have a move if you really like this token. Don't like the setup with this one right now, guys. Okay, Ocean Protocol, another one. It's having a nice reaction since November of 22. So I will go to that one. Check this one out. Now this one is a little bit tricky. It has a nice little setup, in my opinion, potentially. March of 20, blasted off over here, ended April 21, kind of like the rest of the cryptocurrency market, been in a correction, hit that 1.38 on logarithmic. And this one is a 3-way swing up. I do think that you have a good shot that this could come back down and test these areas, and it's going to be getting off over there, guys. You do have some hidden bearish divergence that's forming right in that area. So I think it's back down and then off for that coin. That's Ocean Protocol potentially, guys. Okay. Could it be done right there? It could be. I wouldn't be messing with it right now. It's in it's not in a good area to be, playing with it. Just on a retrace. See what the retrace is going to do. So potentially Bitcoin could go up and then do a correction, right? And just see where this one's going to land. My guess is going to be somewhere back down here and then off. Okay. With that one at the time being. And there's another one too, Heart for Humans. Get the coin. This one's going to be a little bit more tricky. This one has been in nothing but a downtrend ever since, and it could be breaking out of it. March of 22, it's been down, and it's I have it on this trend right here, guys. Is it complete? Is it swinging back up to swing back down? It could. It could be coming right back down to these areas, guys, because it has a 3-way swing up and back down in this area. Just a coin. This one, if you're interested in it, it'd be a coin you just want to pay attention to on a correction, see where it's going to correct to, and then play it off that low. Right there, that 0.003 for this coin. Okay, I'd be checking out. But basically, going through the list, you have this VAIOT in a basin, nice reaction, probably starting its bull run. Same thing here with FetchAI. Another one is looking really good. This one too, not looking too bad, but obviously it's blasted up. This is not the time to enter it, but pay attention to these coins. To me, this would be VAIOT, started its bull run. FetchAI more likely starts bull run, and this one is certainly working on it. It looks like a third wave that it made right there, guys. And the volume supports it. You see that volume right there? Volume supports it, corrected back down. Fifth wave, and then another massive correction over here, and then a massive, probably a really nice bull run in this. So it's up in a third, back down to a fourth, fifth, and then this section after the correction over here will be a nice bullish sequence for that coin. And this one too, guys, is a little bit different. Don't think it started anything yet. It could have, I doubt. I think it's going to come back to the trend and then out of there. Which one was that one? That was NUMERAIRE, however you say that. And then this one you pay attention to. So all of these coins, pretty much except this one, is definitely in question, but it's broken that trend. So it could come back down, retest, and then get out of there, guys. That's humans, AI. The AI tokens, guys, they're actually looking pretty decent, and it's looking like most of them either have started a bull run for themselves, and the other ones are working on that. So just want to put that out there. That's just based off the chart data or what I'm taking a look at on these coins. And they probably have a really good shot of performing really, really well, a lot better than, say, if you want to take a little bit more risk in the cryptocurrency market, even something like Aptos right here, same thing, up into a wave, nice bottom correction, and then it's going to be going into a decent wave over here. Same thing with these coins, guys. Just remember, not financial advice. Very, very, very high risk. Even though Aptos over here, but you got a lot of people that like this coin, okay? And honestly, guys, when it comes to Aptos, now I'm on Aptos, this right here, okay? I made a tweet about this. I said, guys, don't mess with Aptos. Will there be some guys that make a lot of money when it comes out? Sure, there will be, okay? Really good traders that know how to play that game. But most of you don't know how to do that, okay? You can get lucky, though, but you don't want to go do in the markets based on luck. You don't want to do that. You want to use some skill. But if Aptos is going to be doing something like this, this is where you really want to pick that up. Just let it run, and then you're going to increase your odds over here, okay, of doing something like this, okay, over there. Just kind of like one of these coins right here. Up, let it go up, let it correct, and then you increase your odds because it made a wave here. It'll come back and correct it. You get a nice 3-wave swing with a coin like this, right? Boom. And then you get it here, and then it's off. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.